Hi believers, this is Amit from Wire Team, and I'm here to provide a weekly bite and the road ahead in the markets. Nifty resumed its uptrend after 2 weeks of breather and settled an even full week at around 25,900, closing up 1.6% for the week. Midcaps continued with its winning streak, gaining 1.5% for the week, consecutively clocking fresh all-time high after September 2024. Beaten down sectors like IT, defense, and pharma stage a strong rebound. The weekly price action formed a bull candle carrying higher high, higher low, indicating revival and upward momentum. Index displayed resilience by providing buying demand in the vicinity of 50 days moving averages and enabling the formation of higher base while sailing through global as well as domestic volatility. All this makes us believe that in the past 3 weeks, consolidation has created a launch pad for Nifty 50 to again scale all time high of 26,300 in the coming months. Further, from a macro perspective, softer inflation reading along with the better than expected Q2 earnings reinforces positive momentum that would drive index higher. We have been maintaining in all our weekly bites in the past few weeks that this dip is a buying opportunity as fundamentals, valuation, and macro situation all are aligned, and the wait is just for foreign investors to buy, but sooner or later will resume buying. Technically, any decline should be used as a buying opportunity as strong supporters placed at 25,300 as it is 50% retracement of September to October rally levels, and 25,300 also happens to be 50 days moving average. A few key observations that validates bullish stance are as follows. Number 1, a decisive victory for the NDA in Bihar election has boosted the investor sentiment and augurs well for continuation of prevailing uptrend. Number 2, Bank Nifty strength. Past 10 sessions, decline completely gained back in just 5 sessions. Faster rise signifies structural improvement in Bank Nifty. Number 3, Midcap Index challenged its September high and recorded fresh all-time high. The current up move is backed by improvement in market breadth as currently 68% of midcap index stocks are trading above their 200-day moving averages. Number 4, result season concluding good. India's corporate earnings for 2026 was stronger than anticipated, with results indicated a broad base recovery led by commodities, capital goods, and technology. Oil profits surged nearly ninefold, alongside solid gains in technology, cement, and metals. Strong performances were observed in PSU banks, real estate, and metals. The key monitorable remains the sustainability of this moment amidst normalizing input cost and demand after the festive boost. Capex heavy industry have also shown strong result with the likes of CG Power and Hitachi Energy leading the way. Order inflows have shown heavy momentum here. The overall outlook is improving. However, it depends heavily on the durability of the recovery and margin expansion, with the global economic environment likely to play a major role over the next few quarters. We are bullish on domestic consumption on all fronts. Disposable income is increasing. We are seeing low interest rates and easing inflation. This is an ideal scenario for a boost in consumer sectors like auto, travel, hospitality, and discretionary spending. On the agriculture front, GST cuts, good monsoon season, and government subsidies will continue to fuel better earnings. On global macros, dollar index and Brent crude have been inching downward, which is good for emerging markets like India. Going ahead, the development of India and US tariff negotiation would be key. Recently, US cuts import tariff on key agricultural and processed foods, indicating better trade deal in near future. I'm very bullish on GRSC. I have taken good position on the same stock recently. Good results, tailwind sector, and bright future. Please do your homework before diving in. That's all for today. Wishing you a profitable trading week ahead.